What's going on? We are back, losing $158 trading the Dow. Welcome on in. It's the first trade recap, I feel like, in a while because I haven't really been home. So this trade closed out on Tuesday, March 5th, I believe. It did close out on Tuesday, March 5th. I have the receipts to dive into it, but we ended up losing about $158 on this trade. We were looking to make, I can actually tell you, on the trade, we're looking to make decently more. I can say a 2.55. So we're looking to make about $402, and we risked about 158 on this trade. So that was what it came out to be. It was a set and forget trade. I was traveling. This trade I got in and I literally just left it alone after the meta trade closed out. And there's a whole process going on in terms of transferring platforms and brokers with the prop firm. I was traveling, so it kind of worked out fine. It seems like everything will be up and running in the next couple of days, if not already, once this video goes live. So I'm kind of back in action and back to the old things. But let's at least dive into this trade. So it was on the Dow, and if you jump in, I entered twice because the first entry wasn't large enough. I actually only entered with 0.1 lots when I should have had 0.4 to get the proper sizing, so I added a 0.3 shortly after. But that's not really the point. Just say I got 0.4. And the day we got in was on the breakout right here to the upside, and it ended up pushing up and stopping me out a couple of days later. So if I'll jump over to the Dow futures chart that I was looking at when I entered this trade. So what I'm looking at here really was a break to the upside that we did see on the Dow as it broke up over this area of consolidation. Actually, I had a line there, sorry. See, I had an alert on that line as well. So I got in here. We had a small move in our direction, then we got stopped out here where the stop loss took to the 5th on this red day right here. Barely, I mean, realistically, like, did I need to get stopped out? The way I tried it, yes, but in theory, right, this kind of popped above, and now it still overall looks healthy to the upside to me. It's just not a very high momentum play, which, do you want to be there? You can say yes, no, maybe. Personally, not a huge fan if it's not going to move, and so what I like to do is put my stop loss under the breaking candle low. So the stop loss is here. That obviously got hit barely, but got hit on Tuesday, and that was it. It did bounce after that, but also not by a ton, so it's not like it rocketed right to the targets, but that was really the trade. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We lost about 157.61. I'll double check over here. So here's our 25K account, and we are currently sitting at a profit of a little over $1,000. And if I jump in, so we're past halfway to the profit target, which is cool. The trade history, since they transitioned the accounts, there's only been 3 trades on the new transition, on the new broker. That'll again change shortly as well. But I've been tracking it all. You can see it all here. So we lost on the 0.3 lots, 117.59, and then we lost about $40 more on the 0.1. That's all one trade that I just combined the 2 trades in TradeZella, and so it comes up as one trade because you can combine them after the fact. So that's that. And that's where everything kind of lies in terms of this account. So first loss, I guess, of the month. Well, it really hasn't been many trades. So only 2 trades this month. So first loss of the month. If I jump back to March, we made 193 on Meta. We lost 158 on the Dow. Okay, whatever. We're up a few bucks. Nothing crazy. The rest of the month, we'll probably trade more because I'm back if we get setups. But from what I'm seeing right now, just as a quick side note. From what I'm seeing right now, if I just jump across to a bunch of these charts, obviously we're trending up, obviously cool, but do I love the looks on a lot of these charts right now? Not really, to be honest. So maybe we stick over to Bitcoin if Bitcoin sets up. Doesn't look like it's going to set up for me right now. Gold's been very, very, very nice, but that's kind of already going. So I don't see a lot of stuff right now in front of me that I'm like, oh my gosh, these are great setups. That could change in the coming hours, in the coming days, but we're going to kind of roll with it like that. And the progression that I think, as you're seeing here is less trades, larger sizing, but not excessive sizing to where 2 trades in a row can blow me out. No, but larger sizing, letting things play out over longer periods of time, it kind of ends up being the same thing as just trading a lot. You know what I mean? So that's been the progression. So the dollar amounts may start to inch up in terms of how much we're winning and losing. But again, it will do so with respect to the R multiples and all that stuff. So it'll be kind of the same risk rewards that we've been getting and we've been looking at like last month's and stuff. So if you want to see last month's trade recap, that's up on the channel a couple videos back. And this is today's trade recap. It's the second trade recap for the month of March. I know we're already like almost halfway in, but we just got back. So thanks so much for watching. This is TradeZella. I'll leave a link to TradeZella and a discount code below. They just gave me a discount code, so use it if you wanted to, or if you haven't signed up for TradeZella yet, use that discount code. It will save you money. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.